Types of diseases in agricultural plants and methods of treatment. Agricultural plants are essential to human life, providing food, medicine, and other critical resources. However, like all living things, plants are vulnerable to diseases that can have devastating effects on their growth and survival. Plant diseases can be caused by a variety of factors, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and pests. In this passage, we will discuss some of the most common types of diseases that affect agricultural plants and the methods used to treat them. Fungal diseases. Fungal diseases are among the most common types of plant diseases, affecting crops worldwide. They are caused by various types of fungi, including molds, mildews, and rusts. Symptoms of fungal infections include wilting, yellowing of leaves, and the development of dark spots or lesions on plant tissue. Some common fungal diseases include powdery mildew, black spot, and rust. Powdery mildew is a fungal disease that affects a wide range of plants, including roses, cucumbers, and grapes. It is characterized by a white, powdery coating that develops on the leaves, stems, and flowers of the plant. Powdery mildew can be treated with fungicides, but prevention is key to controlling the disease. To prevent powdery mildew, it is essential to keep the plant foliage dry and avoid overcrowding of plants. Black spot is another fungal disease that affects roses and other plants. It is characterized by the development of black spots on the leaves of the plant, which can lead to defoliation and reduce plant vigor. Black spot can be treated with fungicides, but it is important to remove infected leaves and plant debris from the garden to prevent the spread of the disease. Rust is a fungal disease that affects a wide range of plants, including beans, tomatoes, and roses. It is characterized by the development of rust-colored spots or pustules on the leaves and stems of the plant. Rust can be treated with fungicides, but it is important to remove infected plant material to prevent the disease from spreading. Bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases are caused by bacteria that infect plants through wounds, insect bites, or other means. Symptoms of bacterial infections include wilting, leaf spots, and the development of cankers on plant tissue. Some common bacterial diseases include bacterial leaf spot, fire blight, and crown gall. Bacterial leaf spot is a disease that affects a wide range of plants, including tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce. It is characterized by the development of water-soaked spots on the leaves, which can lead to defoliation and reduce plant vigor. Bacterial leaf spot can be treated with copper-based fungicides, but it is important to remove infected plant material to prevent the spread of the disease. Fire blight is a bacterial disease that affects fruit trees, including apples and pears. It is characterized by the development of brown or blackened leaves and stems, which can lead to the death of the plant. Fire blight can be treated with antibiotics, but it is important to remove infected plant material and sterilize pruning tools to prevent the spread of the disease. Crown gall is a bacterial disease that affects a wide range of plants, including grapes, roses, and fruit trees. It is characterized by the development of swollen, discolored tissue on the plant stem or roots. Crown gall can be difficult to treat, but prevention is key to controlling the disease. To prevent crown gall, it is important to use disease-free planting material and avoid injuring the plant's roots or stems. Viral diseases. Viral diseases are caused by viruses that infect plants through wounds or insect bites. Symptoms of viral infections include yellowing of leaves, stunting of growth, and the development of mottled or streaked leaves. Some common viral diseases include mosaic virus, tomato spotted wilt virus, and cucumber mosaic virus. Mosaic virus is a viral disease that affects a wide range of plants, including tobacco, cucumbers, and tomatoes. It is characterized by the development of mottled or streaked leaves and can lead to stunted plant growth. Mosaic virus can be spread by insects, but it is important to remove infected plant material to prevent the spread of the disease. Tomato spotted wilt virus is a viral disease that affects tomatoes, peppers, and other plants. It is characterized by the development of yellow and brown spots on the leaves, which can lead to reduced plant vigor and fruit yield. Tomato spotted wilt virus can be difficult to control, but prevention is key to minimizing the disease's impact. To prevent the virus, it is essential to use disease-free planting material and control the insect vectors that spread the disease. Cucumber mosaic virus is a viral disease that affects a wide range of plants, including cucumbers, beans, and peppers. It is characterized by the development of mosaic patterns on the leaves and can lead to reduced plant vigor and yield. Cucumber mosaic virus can be spread by insects, but it is important to remove infected plant material to prevent the spread of the disease. Pest infestations. Pest infestations are a common problem in agriculture and can lead to significant crop damage. Common pests include aphids, mites, and caterpillars. Symptoms of pest infestations include leaf damage, wilting, and stunted plant growth. Aphids are small insects that feed on the sap of plants, causing wilting and leaf curling. They can be controlled with insecticidal soaps or oils, but it is important to monitor the population and remove any infected plant material. Mites are tiny insects that feed on plant tissue, causing discoloration and leaf damage. They can be controlled with insecticidal sprays, but prevention is key to minimizing their impact. To prevent mite infestations, it is essential to maintain healthy plant growth and remove any infected plant material. Caterpillars are the larvae of moths or butterflies and can cause significant damage to crops by feeding on the leaves and fruit. They can be controlled with insecticides or by hand picking, but it is important to monitor the population and remove any infected plant material. Methods of treatment. The treatment of plant diseases depends on the type of disease and the severity of the infection. In general, prevention is key to minimizing the impact of plant diseases. To prevent diseases, it is essential to use disease-free planting material, maintain healthy plant growth, and remove any infected plant material. Fungicides, bactericides, and virucides can be used to control fungal, bacterial, and viral diseases, respectively. Insecticides can be used to control pest infestations, but it is important to use them judiciously to minimize their impact on non-target organisms. Biological processes in the production of agricultural plant products. Agricultural plant products play a crucial role in providing food for human consumption, animal feed, and various industrial applications. These products are grown through a complex biological process that involves various stages, from seed germination to harvesting. In this passage, we will explore the biological processes involved in the production of agricultural plant products. Seed germination. The first step in the production of agricultural plant products is seed germination. Seeds are the foundation of agriculture, and their proper germination is essential for healthy plant growth. Seeds contain all the nutrients and energy required for the initial stages of growth, including carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamins. Germination is a complex process that involves the activation of enzymes and the release of stored nutrients in the seed. When the seed is exposed to water, it absorbs it and swells, causing the seed coat to split open. This process is called imbibition. Once the seed coat is split, enzymes within the seed are activated, and the stored nutrients are released. These nutrients are used to fuel the growth of the embryonic plant. The root emerges first, followed by the shoot. The root anchors the plant in the soil and absorbs water and nutrients from the soil, while the shoot grows towards the sunlight and begins photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. It is a complex biochemical process that takes place in the chloroplasts of plant cells. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a pigment that absorbs light energy from the sun. During photosynthesis, the energy from sunlight is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This glucose is the primary source of energy for the plant and is used to fuel all the biological processes required for growth and development. The oxygen produced during photosynthesis is released into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is an essential process for the production of agricultural plant products. It is the source of all the carbohydrates, proteins, and other nutrients that are required for plant growth. Without photosynthesis, plants would not be able to produce the energy required for growth and development. Pollination. Pollination is the process by which pollen from the male reproductive organ of a flower, the anther, is transferred to the female reproductive organ, the stigma. Pollination is essential for the production of fruits and seeds in many agricultural plant products. Pollination can occur through a variety of mechanisms, including wind, water, and insects. Insects, particularly bees, are the most common pollinators for agricultural plant products. Bees are attracted to the bright colors and sweet nectar of flowers and inadvertently pick up pollen as they move from flower to flower. Once the pollen lands on the stigma, it grows down the style to the ovary, where it fertilizes the ovules. The fertilized ovules develop into seeds, while the ovary develops into the fruit. The fruit is the mature ovary and contains the seeds of the plant. Fruit development. Fruit development is the process by which the ovary of a flower develops into a mature fruit. Fruits come in many shapes and sizes and can be either fleshy or dry. Fleshy fruits, such as tomatoes and apples, contain a pulpy, juicy interior that surrounds the seeds. Dry fruits, such as nuts and grains, have a hard, dry exterior that protects the seeds. During fruit development, the ovary swells and grows to accommodate the developing seeds. The fruit also undergoes a series of biochemical changes that affect its texture, flavor, and nutritional content. These changes are driven by hormones, enzymes, and other biochemical processes within the plant. Fruit development is essential for the production of many agricultural plant products, particularly fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that only sentences are essential for human health. The development of fruits and vegetables is also important for the agricultural industry, as they are valuable crops that can be sold for profit. Harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering mature crops from the field. It is a critical stage in the production of agricultural plant products, as it determines the yield and quality of the crop. Harvesting can be done manually or with the use of machines, depending on the crop and the scale of the operation. During harvesting, the plants are cut, pulled, or shaken to remove the fruit or seed from the plant. The harvested crop is then sorted, cleaned, and processed for storage or transport. The timing of harvesting is critical, as it can affect the flavor, texture, and nutritional content of the crop. Storage and transport. After harvesting, agricultural plant products are typically stored and transported to processing facilities, markets, or consumers. Proper storage and transport are critical for maintaining the quality and freshness of the crop. Factors such as temperature, humidity, and air circulation must be carefully controlled to prevent spoilage or damage. Many agricultural plant products are perishable and require specialized storage and transport facilities, such as refrigerated trucks or warehouses. These facilities help to maintain the freshness and quality of the crop during transport and storage. Processing and packaging. Processing and packaging are essential steps in the production of many agricultural plant products. Processing can involve cleaning, sorting, grading, and packaging the crop to prepare it for sale or further processing. The packaging must be carefully chosen to protect the crop during transport and storage. Processing can also involve more extensive methods, such as canning, freezing, or dehydrating the crop. These methods are used to preserve the crop for long-term storage and transport, and to provide convenience to consumers who may not have access to fresh produce. To ensure sustainable agriculture, farmers and researchers are working together to find innovative solutions to challenges such as climate change, pest and disease management, and soil fertility. They are exploring new technologies, such as precision agriculture, which uses data analytics and sensors to optimize crop production while minimizing inputs such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides. One promising area of research is the use of genetic engineering to develop crops with desirable traits such as drought tolerance, disease resistance, and increased yield. Types of beneficial bacteria for domestic animals and their role. Introduction. Bacteria are microscopic, unicellular organisms that can be found in almost every environment on Earth. While some bacteria are harmful and can cause diseases, many bacteria are beneficial and play important roles in the health and well-being of animals. In this article, we will discuss the different types of beneficial bacteria for domestic animals and their roles. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when administered in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. Probiotics are commonly used in the feed of domestic animals such as dogs, cats, and livestock to improve their digestive health and immunity. Lactobacillus and bifidobacterium are two of the most commonly used probiotics. Lactobacillus is a type of lactic acid bacteria that is naturally present in the gut of animals. It helps to break down carbohydrates and produces lactic acid, which helps to lower the pH of the gut and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Bifidobacterium is another type of probiotic that is naturally found in the gut. It helps to improve the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve the absorption of nutrients. Probiotics can help to improve digestive health in animals by increasing the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can help to prevent diarrhea, constipation, and other digestive issues. Probiotics can also help to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. Prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible carbohydrates that stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Prebiotics are commonly found in foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. In animal feed, prebiotics are often added to improve the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria. Fructooligosaccharides, FOS, and inulin are two common types of prebiotics. FOS is a type of carbohydrate that is found in many fruits and vegetables, including bananas, onions, and garlic. Inulin is a type of carbohydrate that is found in many plants, including chicory root, artichokes, and asparagus. Prebiotics can help to improve digestive health in animals by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and improve the absorption of nutrients. Symbiotics. Symbiotics are a combination of probiotics and prebiotics. They are designed to improve the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Symbiotics are commonly used in animal feed to improve digestive health and immunity. Symbiotics can help to improve digestive health in animals by increasing the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting their growth and activity. This can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and improve the absorption of nutrients. Benefits of beneficial bacteria for domestic animals. There are many benefits of beneficial bacteria for domestic animals. Some of the most important benefits include improved digestive health. Beneficial bacteria can help to improve digestive health in animals by promoting the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and improve the absorption of nutrients. Improved immunity. Beneficial bacteria can help to boost the immune system in animals by improving the activity of immune cells and reducing inflammation. Reduced risk of disease. Beneficial bacteria can help to reduce the risk of disease in animals by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria and improving the immune system. Improved nutrient absorption. Beneficial bacteria can help to improve the absorption of nutrients in animals by breaking down food more efficiently and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Reduced stress. Beneficial bacteria can help to reduce stress in animals by improving their digestive health and immunity. Other types of beneficial bacteria. In addition to probiotics, prebiotics, and symbiotics, There are many other types of beneficial bacteria that can be found in the gut of domestic animals. Some of these include Enterococcus faecium. This bacterium is commonly found in the gut of animals and can help to improve the immune system, prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, and improve nutrient absorption. Streptococcus thermophilus. This bacterium is commonly found in fermented foods and can help to improve the digestion of lactose and the absorption of minerals such as calcium. Bacillus subtilis. This bacterium is commonly found in soil and can help to improve the immune system, prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, and improve nutrient absorption. Escherichia coli. While E. coli is commonly associated with harmful strains that can cause disease, there are also beneficial strains of E. coli that can help to improve digestion and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Roles of beneficial bacteria. The roles of beneficial bacteria in the gut of domestic animals are vast and complex. Some of the key roles of beneficial bacteria include digestion. Beneficial bacteria help to break down food and promote nutrient absorption. They can also help to prevent digestive issues such as diarrhea and constipation. Immunity. Beneficial bacteria can help to boost the immune system by improving the activity of immune cells and reducing inflammation. Pathogen protection. Beneficial bacteria can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria by competing for resources and producing compounds that are toxic to harmful bacteria. Nutrient production. Beneficial bacteria can produce important nutrients such as vitamins and amino acids that are essential for the health of the animal. Stress reduction. Beneficial bacteria can help to reduce stress by improving the digestive health and immunity of the animal. Applications of beneficial bacteria. Beneficial bacteria are commonly used in the feed and management of domestic animals for a variety of applications. Some of the most common applications include digestive health. Beneficial bacteria are commonly used to improve digestive health and prevent digestive issues such as diarrhea and constipation. Immune system support. Beneficial bacteria are commonly used to boost the immune system and reduce the risk of disease. Growth promotion. Beneficial bacteria are commonly used to promote growth and improve the efficiency of feed conversion in livestock. Antibiotic replacement. Beneficial bacteria are being explored as a potential alternative to antibiotics in the feed of domestic animals, as antibiotic resistance becomes an increasing concern. Environmental management. Beneficial bacteria can be used to reduce environmental pollution by improving the digestion and absorption of nutrients and animal waste. Potential risks of beneficial bacteria. While beneficial bacteria can have many positive effects on the health and well-being of domestic animals, there are also potential risks to consider. Some of these risks include adverse effects. In some cases, the use of beneficial bacteria can lead to adverse effects such as gastrointestinal distress or allergic reactions. It is important to monitor animals closely for any signs of adverse reactions when introducing new types of bacteria to their diet. Contamination. Beneficial bacteria can be contaminated with harmful bacteria during production, storage, or transportation. It is important to ensure that the bacteria used in animal feed is of high quality and free from contamination. Types of microbial products and their application in agri-food. There are many types of beneficial bacteria that are important for the health of domestic animals. Here are a few examples and their roles. Lactobacillus acidophilus. This bacteria is commonly found in the digestive tract of many animals, including dogs and cats. It helps to break down food and convert it into nutrients that can be easily absorbed by the body. Bifidobacterium bifidum. This bacteria is also found in the digestive tract of many animals and helps to maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. It can also help to boost the immune system and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Streptococcus thermophilus. This bacteria is commonly found in dairy products and can help to improve the digestion of lactose in animals that may be lactose intolerant. Bacillus coagulans. This bacteria is a probiotic that can help to improve digestion and boost the immune system. It has been shown to be effective in treating diarrhea and other digestive issues in dogs and cats. Enterococcus faecium. This bacteria is commonly found in the digestive tract of many animals and can help to improve digestion and boost the immune system. It has also been shown to be effective in treating diarrhea and other digestive issues in dogs and cats. In addition to the above-mentioned bacteria, there are many other types of beneficial bacteria that can have a positive impact on the health of domestic animals. Here are a few more examples. Lactobacillus reuteri. This bacteria has been shown to help reduce the incidence of diarrhea in dogs and cats, and may also help to prevent and treat urinary tract infections. Lactobacillus plantarum. This bacteria can help to improve digestion and boost the immune system. It has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce the risk of certain diseases. Propionibacterium freudenreichi. This bacteria is commonly found in the digestive tract of many animals and can help to improve digestion and boost the immune system. It has also been shown to have antimicrobial properties and may help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Pediococcus acidilactici. This bacteria can help to improve digestion and boost the immune system. It has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce the risk of certain diseases. In addition to the digestive and immune benefits mentioned, beneficial bacteria can also play a role in other aspects of animal health. For example, Lactobacillus rhamnosus. This bacteria has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may help to reduce the risk of allergies and skin conditions in dogs and cats. Streptococcus faecium. This bacteria can help to improve the absorption of nutrients from food, which can be especially important for animals that are malnourished or have digestive issues. Enterococcus aureus. This bacteria has been shown to help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections in dogs and cats, and may also help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. Bifidobacterium longum. This bacteria can help to improve the overall health of the gut by promoting the growth of other beneficial bacteria and preventing the growth of harmful bacteria. It is worth noting that the benefits of probiotics and other beneficial bacteria can vary depending on the specific strain, dose, and method of delivery. In general, it is best to choose a probiotic supplement that has been specifically formulated for use in animals and that contains a variety of different strains of bacteria to ensure the best possible health benefits. Additionally, it is important to talk to your veterinarian before starting your pet on any new supplements or treatments. Another important role of beneficial bacteria is in supporting the health of the immune system. The gut microbiome, which is made up of trillions of bacteria, plays a crucial role in regulating the immune system and helping the body to fight off infections. Here are a few examples of beneficial bacteria that can help to support immune function. Lactobacillus fermentum. This bacteria has been shown to have immunomodulatory effects, meaning it can help to regulate the immune system and improve its ability to fight off infections. Bifidobacterium animalis. This bacteria can help to improve the overall health of the gut and has been shown to have immunomodulatory effects as well. Lactococcus lactis. This bacteria is commonly found in fermented foods and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to support immune function. Bacillus subtilis. This bacteria can help to improve the overall health of the gut and has been shown to have immune-boosting effects as well. In addition to the benefits for digestive and immune health, some beneficial bacteria can also have a positive impact on mental health and behavior. The gut-brain axis, which is the bidirectional communication pathway between the gut and the brain, is an important avenue for the communication between these systems. Here are a few examples of beneficial bacteria that can help to support mental health. Lactobacillus helveticus. This bacteria has been shown to have anxiolytic effects, meaning it can help to reduce anxiety and improve mood. Bifidobacterium breve. This bacteria has been shown to have neuroprotective effects and may help to improve cognitive function. Lactobacillus casei. This bacteria can help to reduce stress and improve mood, and may also help to reduce inflammation in the body. When it comes to providing beneficial bacteria to domestic animals, there are a few different options available. One common approach is to use probiotic supplements, which are available in a variety of forms including powders, chews, and capsules. These supplements typically contain a mix of different strains of bacteria, and are designed to be given orally to support digestive and immune health. Another option for providing beneficial bacteria is through the use of fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut contain high levels of beneficial bacteria, and can be a healthy addition to an animal's diet. However, it is important to choose fermented foods that are specifically formulated for animals, as some human products may contain ingredients that are not safe for pets. Finally, some pet food manufacturers are now adding probiotics and other beneficial bacteria directly to their products. This can be a convenient option for pet owners who want to ensure that their animals are getting the right balance of bacteria in their diets. It is worth noting that while beneficial bacteria can have a positive impact on animal health, they are not a cure-all for all health problems. In some cases, additional treatments or medications may be necessary to address underlying health issues. Additionally, it is important to work with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate dosage and frequency of probiotics or other supplements, as too much of certain strains of bacteria can cause digestive upset. In summary, the use of beneficial bacteria can be a valuable tool in promoting the health and well-being of domestic animals. Whether through the use of probiotics, fermented foods, or specialized pet foods, incorporating these helpful microorganisms into an animal's diet can support digestive, immune, and mental health. It is also important to note that maintaining a healthy gut microbiome requires more than just adding beneficial bacteria to an animal's diet. Other factors that can impact the health of the gut microbiome include diet, stress levels, medications, and environmental factors. In order to support optimal gut health, it is important to consider these other factors as well. For example, providing a balanced diet that is rich in fiber can help to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. The development of animal cells has been a topic of great interest for scientists and researchers for many years. Animal cells are the basic building blocks of life and are essential for the proper functioning of all multicellular organisms. The study of animal cells has not only provided insights into the fundamental processes of life but has also led to numerous practical applications in fields such as medicine, biotechnology, and agriculture. One of the most significant advancements in the field of animal cell development has been the development of cell culture techniques. This has allowed scientists to cultivate and study animal cells outside of their natural environment, providing a unique opportunity to examine the behavior and characteristics of individual cells in isolation. This has led to a deeper understanding of cell behavior and the identification of key signaling pathways that regulate cell growth and differentiation. The development of cell culture techniques has also had a profound impact on the field of biotechnology. For example, the use of animal cells for the production of therapeutic proteins and vaccines has become a cornerstone of modern medicine. This has allowed for the development of treatments for a wide range of diseases, including cancer, autoimmune diseases, and genetic disorders. In addition to the development of cell culture techniques, advances in genetic engineering have also had a significant impact on the study of animal cells. This has allowed scientists to manipulate the genetic material of animal cells to study the function of specific genes and to develop new treatments for a wide range of diseases. For example, scientists have used genetic engineering to create animal models of human diseases, which have provided valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms of disease and the development of new treatments. The study of animal cells has also had a major impact on the field of agriculture. For example, the use of genetically modified animal cells has allowed for the development of new and improved strains of crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, which has had a major impact on food security and sustainable agriculture. Another important aspect of animal cell development is the understanding of cell signaling and communication. Animal cells communicate with each other through various signaling pathways and cell-to-cell interactions, which play a crucial role in regulating cell growth, differentiation, and death. The study of cell signaling has led to the discovery of signaling molecules such as cytokines and growth factors, which play a key role in regulating cell behavior. This has important implications for the development of new therapies for diseases such as cancer, where abnormal cell signaling pathways contribute to the development and progression of the disease. Another area of active research in animal cell development is stem cell research. Stem cells are unique in that they have the ability to differentiate into a wide range of cell types, making them a promising area for the development of new treatments for a wide range of diseases. For example, scientists are exploring the use of stem cells for the treatment of neurological disorders, such as Parkinson's disease, as well as for regenerative medicine, where the goal is to replace damaged or diseased cells with healthy ones. The development of animal cell-based in vitro models has revolutionized the study of disease and drug development. These models allow scientists to study the behavior of cells in a controlled environment, without the need for animal testing. This has led to a greater understanding of the underlying mechanisms of disease and the development of new treatments. For example, researchers are using animal cell-based models to study cancer and to develop new cancer therapies, such as targeted therapies that specifically target cancer cells while sparing normal cells. Another exciting area of research in animal cell development is the study of epigenetics, which refers to changes in gene expression that are not due to changes in the DNA sequence itself. Epigenetic changes can be influenced by various factors, including environmental exposures, aging, and disease. The study of epigenetics has led to a greater understanding of how gene expression is regulated, and how this regulation can go awry in diseases such as cancer. Another important aspect of animal cell development is the study of cellular organelles, such as mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum. These organelles play a critical role in cellular metabolism and have important implications for a wide range of diseases, including neurodegenerative diseases and metabolic disorders. The study of cellular organelles has also provided valuable insights into the aging process and how changes in cellular metabolism can contribute to the aging phenotype. Additionally, the study of animal cell development has had a significant impact on the field of regenerative medicine. Researchers are exploring the use of animal cells, such as stem cells, for the regeneration of damaged or diseased tissues, with a goal of restoring normal function. For example, researchers are investigating the use of stem cells for the treatment of heart disease, where the goal is to regenerate damaged heart tissue and restore normal heart function. The development of advanced imaging technologies has also had a significant impact on the study of animal cells. These technologies allow scientists to visualize the behavior and interactions of individual cells in real time, providing valuable insights into cellular behavior and function. For example, researchers are using advanced imaging technologies to study the behavior of cancer cells and to develop new strategies for the early detection and treatment of cancer. Furthermore, the study of animal cell development has led to a better understanding of cellular respiration, the process by which cells produce energy. This process is critical for the proper functioning of all living organisms and has important implications for the study of diseases such as cancer, where abnormal cellular respiration contributes to the development and progression of the disease. Another important aspect of animal cell development is the study of the cell cycle, which refers to the series of events that occur in a cell leading to its division and duplication, replication. The cell cycle is a complex and tightly regulated process that is critical for the proper functioning of cells, and its regulation is often disrupted in diseases such as cancer. The study of the cell cycle has provided valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms of cell division and replication, and has important implications for the development of new cancer therapies. In addition, the study of animal cells has also led to a better understanding of cellular stress responses, which are critical for the survival of cells in response to environmental stressors such as heat, oxidative stress, and hypoxia. Cellular stress responses play a key role in the development of a wide range of diseases, including cancer. And the study of these responses has led to the development of new therapies for these diseases. The study of animal cell development has also had a significant impact on the field of synthetic biology. which is the design and construction of new biological parts, devices, and systems that do not exist in the natural world. Synthetic biology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of fields, from medicine and biotechnology to energy and the environment, and the development of animal cell-based platforms has been critical for the advancement of this field. Moreover, the study of animal cell development has also been instrumental in the field of gene therapy. Gene therapy involves the delivery of therapeutic genes to cells to treat or cure genetic diseases. This is achieved through the use of viral or non-viral vectors that carry the therapeutic genes into cells. The interaction between organisms and the tropical rainforest environment. The tropical rainforest is an incredibly complex ecosystem that is home to a wide variety of organisms. It is a place of tremendous biological diversity and is one of the most biologically rich environments on Earth. The interaction between organisms and the tropical rainforest environment is a topic of great interest to scientists and researchers, as it provides important insights into the ways in which ecosystems function. At the heart of the tropical rainforest ecosystem are the trees. These towering giants form the canopy of the rainforest, which is home to an enormous variety of species. The canopy is a complex and diverse environment, with different types of trees, vines, and other plants providing habitat for a wide range of animals, including birds, monkeys, and insects. One of the key features of the tropical rainforest is its high level of biodiversity. The rainforest is home to more than half of the world's species, despite covering only about 6% of the Earth's surface. This incredible diversity is due in part to the fact that the rainforest has been relatively stable for millions of years, providing a stable environment for species to evolve and adapt. The interaction between organisms in the rainforest is complex and multifaceted. There are many different types of relationships that exist between species, including predation, mutualism, and competition. Predation is a common feature of the rainforest, with many species of animals preying on other animals in order to survive. This includes predators such as big cats, snakes, and birds of prey, which hunt smaller animals such as monkeys, rodents, and insects. Mutualism is another important feature of the rainforest ecosystem. This refers to the relationship between two species in which both benefit. One example of mutualism in the rainforest is the relationship between certain plants and insects. Some plants have evolved to produce nectar and other substances that attract specific species of insects. The insects in turn help to pollinate the plants, ensuring that they can reproduce and continue to thrive. Competition is also an important feature of the rainforest ecosystem. With so many different species competing for limited resources, such as food and space, there is intense competition between organisms. This can lead to the evolution of specialized adaptations that allow species to compete more effectively. For example, some plants have evolved to produce toxins that deter herbivores from eating them, while other animals have evolved to be able to digest these toxins. One of the most fascinating aspects of the rainforest ecosystem is the way in which different species have evolved to occupy different niches. A niche refers to the specific role that a species plays within an ecosystem. For example, some species of birds are specialized to feed on the nectar of specific types of flowers, while other species are adapted to feed on insects or small mammals. The rainforest also provides important ecosystem services, which are benefits that humans derive from natural ecosystems. These services include things like carbon storage, which helps to mitigate climate change, and water regulation, which helps to prevent flooding and maintain water quality. The rainforest is also a source of many important medicines, with many plant species used in traditional medicine around the world. Unfortunately, the tropical rainforest is under threat from a range of human activities, including deforestation, logging, and agriculture. Deforestation is one of the most significant threats to the rainforest ecosystem, as it involves the permanent removal of trees and other vegetation. This can have a wide range of negative impacts on the ecosystem, including habitat loss, soil erosion, and changes to the water cycle. Another major threat to the rainforest is climate change. As temperatures rise, the rainforest ecosystem is likely to be significantly impacted. For example, changes in temperature and rainfall patterns could lead to the decline of certain plant and animal species, which could in turn have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. In addition to these threats, the rainforest is also impacted by hunting and poaching, which can disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Many species of animals are hunted for their meat or for their valuable body parts, such as ivory or rhino horn. This can lead to a decline in populations and can have far-reaching impacts on the ecosystem as a whole. Despite these challenges, there are also efforts underway to protect and conserve the tropical rainforest ecosystem. Many conservation organizations are working to establish protected areas and to promote sustainable land use practices in order to preserve the rainforest for future generations. There are also efforts to develop alternative sources of income for local communities that rely on the rainforest for their livelihoods, in order to reduce pressure on the ecosystem. One important tool in the conservation of the rainforest is the use of remote sensing technology. Satellites and other remote sensing devices can be used to monitor changes in the rainforest over time, allowing researchers and conservationists to better understand the impacts of human activities on the ecosystem. This information can then be used to develop targeted conservation strategies that can help to protect the rainforest and its inhabitants. Another important aspect of the interaction between organisms and the tropical rainforest ecosystem is the role of indigenous peoples. Many indigenous communities have lived in and around the rainforest for centuries, and they have developed deep knowledge and understanding of the ecosystem and its inhabitants. This knowledge is often passed down through oral traditions and is a valuable resource for researchers and conservationists who are working to protect the rainforest. The traditional practices of indigenous peoples, such as agroforestry and community-based management of natural resources, can also play an important role in the conservation of the rainforest. By working with indigenous communities to develop sustainable land use practices and to protect the ecosystem, conservationists can help to preserve the rainforest while also supporting the livelihoods of local communities. In conclusion, the interaction between organisms and the tropical rainforest ecosystem is a complex and multifaceted topic that has important implications for our understanding of the natural world. The rainforest is home to an incredible diversity of species, and the relationships between these species are shaped by a wide range of factors, including predation, mutualism, and competition. While the rainforest faces many challenges, including deforestation, climate change, and hunting, there are also efforts underway to protect and conserve this valuable ecosystem. By working together to develop sustainable land use practices, to establish protected areas, and to promote the traditional knowledge and practices of indigenous peoples, we can help to preserve the rainforest for future generations. One of the most important relationships in the tropical rainforest is the symbiotic relationship between plants and animals. Many plants in the rainforest rely on animals to pollinate them or to disperse their seeds, while animals rely on the plants for food and shelter. For example, certain species of bats and birds are important pollinators for many rainforest plants, while primates and other animals disperse the seeds of these plants throughout the ecosystem. Cell structure and function are fundamental concepts in biology that provide a basis for understanding the organization and activities of living organisms. In animals, cells are the basic unit of life and perform a wide range of functions necessary for survival. The study of cell structure and function is a critical aspect of modern biology, as it provides insight into the mechanisms of cellular processes and the underlying causes of various diseases. The structure of animal cells is highly organized and contains several distinct components that perform specific functions. The plasma membrane, also known as the cell membrane, is a thin, flexible barrier that separates the interior of the cell from the external environment. It controls the movement of molecules in and out of the cell and helps maintain the cell's shape. The cytoplasm, which is the gel-like material that fills the interior of the cell, is also an important part of cell structure. It contains various organelles, such as mitochondria, ribosomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum, which are responsible for carrying out specific cellular processes. The nucleus is a central and highly specialized organelle that contains the cell's genetic material, DNA, and controls the cell's activities by directing the synthesis of proteins and other essential molecules. In addition to these basic structures, cells also contain specialized structures that are unique to specific types of cells. For example, muscle cells contain myofibrils, which are the contractile elements that allow the cell to contract and produce movement. Similarly, nerve cells contain long, thin extensions called axons and dendrites, which allow the cells to communicate with one another and transmit electrical signals. The function of animal cells is closely tied to their structure. The plasma membrane, for example, helps regulate the movement of molecules in and out of the cell, which is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment. The cytoplasm is responsible for carrying out many of the cell's metabolic processes, such as energy production, protein synthesis, and waste removal. The nucleus directs the synthesis of new proteins and other essential molecules, which are required for cell growth, division, and repair. The organelles within the cytoplasm play a crucial role in maintaining the cell's overall function. For example, the mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration. The ribosomes, on the other hand, are involved in protein synthesis and play a critical role in the cell's ability to produce the necessary proteins and enzymes for various cellular processes. The endoplasmic reticulum, is another important organelle that plays a role in protein synthesis and the transport of molecules within the cell. The is divided into two distinct regions, the smooth and the rough each with a unique function. The smooth is involved in the synthesis of lipids and the regulation of calcium levels in the cell, while the rough is involved in the production and modification of proteins. Another specialized structure found in animal cells is the Golgi apparatus, which is involved in the processing and modification of proteins and lipids. The Golgi apparatus sorts and packages the proteins and lipids produced in the into vesicles, which are then transported to their final destination within the cell or exported outside the cell. In addition to the structural components of animal cells, the cell also contains a variety of regulatory molecules, such as enzymes, hormones, and signaling molecules, which help control the cell's activities and interactions with other cells. These regulatory molecules play a critical role in maintaining the cell's internal environment and ensuring proper cell function. Another important aspect of animal cell structure and function is the cytoskeleton, a network of protein fibers that provide support and structure to the cell. The cytoskeleton also plays a crucial role in cell division, movement, and the maintenance of cell shape. The three main types of protein fibers in the cytoskeleton are microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. Microfilaments are thin, flexible fibers that play a role in cell division and movement, while intermediate filaments provide structural support to the cell. Microtubules are larger, stiffer fibers that are involved in the maintenance of cell shape and the organization of the cytoplasm. The cytoskeleton is also involved in the transport of cellular components, such as vesicles and organelles, from one part of the cell to another. Animal cells also contain a variety of signaling pathways that help regulate cellular activities and coordinate the interactions between cells. These signaling pathways are triggered by a variety of stimuli, such as hormones, growth factors, and other signaling molecules, and can result in changes in gene expression, protein synthesis, and cellular behavior. In addition to their role in cellular signaling, animal cells also contain various mechanisms for detecting and responding to changes in their environment. For example, cells can respond to changes in temperature, oxygen levels, and other environmental cues by altering their gene expression, metabolism, and behavior. These mechanisms help cells adapt to changing conditions and ensure their survival. One interesting aspect of animal cell biology is the relationship between cell structure and function in specialized cell types. For example, muscle cells have a unique structure that allows them to contract and produce movement, while nerve cells have specialized structures, such as axons and dendrites, that allow them to transmit electrical signals. Similarly, blood cells have a unique structure that allows them to carry oxygen and other substances throughout the body, while skin cells have a specialized structure that provides a barrier to protect the body from environmental insults. In addition to the structural differences between specialized cell types, there are also differences in their functional activities. For example, muscle cells are highly specialized for contraction and movement, while nerve cells are highly specialized for transmitting electrical signals. Blood cells are specialized for carrying oxygen and other substances, while skin cells are specialized for protecting the body from environmental insults. Another important aspect of animal cell biology is the regulation of cell division, which is controlled by a complex network of signaling pathways and regulatory molecules. These pathways and molecules help ensure that cells divide at the appropriate times and in the correct manner, which is critical for the proper growth and development of the organism. Cell division can also be disrupted in various diseases and disorders, such as cancer. Cancer cells have abnormal patterns of cell division and growth, which can result in the formation of tumors and the spread of cancer to other parts of the body. Understanding the mechanisms that control cell division and growth is a critical area of research in the field of cancer biology, as it has the potential to lead to the development of new therapies and treatments for this disease. Another fascinating aspect of animal cell biology is the interplay between cell structure and function in the regulation of cellular processes. For example, changes in the structure of the plasma membrane can result in changes in the transport of molecules in and out of the cell, which can have a significant impact on cellular function. Similarly, changes in the structure of the cytoskeleton can result in changes in cell movement and shape, which can have a significant impact on cellular behavior. One example of the interplay between cell structure and function is the regulation of cell signaling pathways. Signaling pathways are complex networks of molecules that help regulate cellular activities and coordinate the interactions between cells. The structure of the signaling molecules, as well as their interactions with other cellular components, play a critical role in the regulation of these pathways and the resulting cellular responses.